How long does a kitchen renovation take?
Typically, once you've paid and we've gotten the cabinets on order, waiting for the cabinets to arrive take up most of the time. Typically, you're going to wait 6 weeks for cabinets to arrive. Meanwhile, you have your existing kitchen that you're working in. So if we take that point of the cabinets arriving until the countertops go in and you're done, if that's all you're doing is cabinets and countertops, you're looking at a 2 to 3 week period of non-use of the kitchen. Excuse me. So cabinets would go in, and then a few days later, the countertop folks would come in and make a template, and then you would wait about 2 weeks for their return to install the countertops. So altogether, from the time of purchase to completion is about a 2 month and a week period, but the actual work is happening within a 3 week period roughly.